The top priority subjects are means which have the most strike rate and the maximum weightage. 110 to 150 questions, fucking 150 questions are PYT based in the exam. So if you have strong hold on your PYTs, then you are going to rock this exam. The best source combination is rapid revision notes with BTR with first aid. The most important topics for INICT. मैं आज को लिख के दे रहा हूँ, इनमें से 20 क्वेश्चंस कॉमन आएंगे ही. Guys, I have analyzed past 8 papers of INICET. I have seen all the popular videos on YouTube regarding INICET, and now I have made the final conclusion regarding the INICET exam pattern. What are the most important topics? And this is a super important video on INICET. So if you are an INICET aspirant, then this is the last video and the first video you must watch. First, to analyze the exam pattern, we have to exactly know how much marks weightage is given to which subject. So this one stats I have shown before also, so I am not pausing it. You can take a screenshot or you can join my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box below. You will get the PDF there. So here, the top priority subjects are means which have the most strike rate and the maximum weightage, that is anatomy, biochemistry, pathology, pharmacology, microbiology, biostats, OBGY, surgery, FMT. Moderate priority subjects, medicine. It has approximately 20 to 22 questions. Last paper, there came 20 questions. In INICET May, there came 22 questions. So if anyone is telling you to avoid medicine, it is just the conglomeration of pathology, physiology and pharmacology. बेटा ऐसा नहीं होता है, ठीक है. मेडिसिन में बहुत सारा टॉपिक्स एक्स्ट्रा भी है, एसिड बेस बैलेंसेस, स्कोरिंग्स, इन्फेक्शियस डिजीजेस विच आर नॉट कवर्ड इन माइक्रोबायोलॉजी. सो ऐसे बहुत सारा टॉपिक्स है. एंड इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग कि मैं मेडिसिन को स्किप कर दूंगा, देन एग्जाम में बहुत बुरा हालत होगा. मीन्स सम ऑफ माई जूनियर स्किप्ड मेडिसिन एंड देयर INICET May was terrible. So never ignore medicine. I will tell you from which sources you can cover within a span of 10 to 15 days. I will tell you that. Derma, high yield subjects, psychiatry, orthopedics, pediatrics, physiology. Least priority subjects are ENT, anesthesia, ophthalmology. They give out of the box questions which are not being taught by any institute. So ophthalmology यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा confusion आता है. So ophthalmology थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा details में पढ़ना पड़ सकता है. And radiology. Coming to the question pattern. Nowadays, what INICET is doing is they are giving multiple options correct questions. Giving you an example, this came in INICET May 2025. A 19-year-old girl with irregular menstrual cycles. According to Rotterdam criteria, which of the following is diagnostic of PCOS? So they have given the options obesity, delayed periods, hirsutism, and insulin resistance. From the Rotterdam criteria, you know signs of hyperandrogenism, that is hirsutism and delayed periods. So this two will be the option, and the PCOS morphology in the USG. So it is not given. So B and C will be the correct answer. They are also giving true and false. They are also giving reasoning and assertion. Sequence based questions were given more in the INICET November 2023 and match the following questions. Okay, this type of questions are not given in the NEET PG. So in this way, INICET is different from NEET PG. Coming to question patterns, 110 to 150 questions, fucking 150 questions are PYT based in the exam. So if you have strong hold on your PYTs, then you are going to rock this exam. 20% of the questions are image based questions, and they give the classical images, that is either first search on the Chrome or it is a classical image on the Chrome you are getting. They don't give images from their own image bank or their own clinical photos like in the NEET PG. Till now, they are giving from the searchable images that you can get in the internet. So this is a positive aspect. And 10 to 20 questions are always unattemptable. Means it is best if you leave this 10 to 20 questions. Then your negative marking is going to reduce. Some cases, अगर दो options में confusion है, then you have to take the risk. But in most cases, they are out of the box, and out of the box from the PYTs, sometimes from the trials which you can't attempt. So you have to leave those questions. And as I said that 110 to 150 questions come from the previous year topics. So here is my previous year topic list. 140 questions came from this topic list in INICET November 2025. So if you want to have it, the link is given in the description box below and the pinned comment section. Coming to sources to be used, this I have done after very much research. So the best source combination is rapid revision notes with BTR with first aid. You can call it the deadly trio. Coming to why is first aid important, because there was a question in INICT November 2023 regarding Nelson syndrome, and in that time period no other faculty, no other coaching app taught this Nelson syndrome, and it was only present in the first aid. This is the beauty of first aid, and they their way of representation, I'm going to show you in the next slides, that their way of representation and the memorizing tips and tricks is unmatchable. And I think BTR is a PG version of first aid only, because the integrated system, that concept is also taken from first aid, and much of the matter is from the first aid. So it is better if you study the first aid also along with BTR. For anatomy, always and always go for Ashwini sir's RR, and you can go with my digital image bank. The link is given in the description box below and pinned comment section. Biochemistry BTR and Rebecca James ma'am main notes for the genetics aspect, because genetics is very much important in the INICT. It is not that much important in the NEET PG. So the genetics aspect go with Rebecca James ma'am's main notes. Integrated system, that is physiology, pharmacology, pathology, medicine, go with pharma Giardi sir's notes. Medicine Marva sir's RR, you can complete it in a span of 5 to 6 days taking the notes, and 3 to 4 days revising. Marva sir's RR is gold standard, and it is very much concise. In my copy it took only 60 pages. BTR and first aid you can use, and FDA approved drugs from the site and life cycles you can get in the description box below free of cost. In the topic of INICT essentials, click the link, you will get the recent approved FDA drugs and the life cycles. Microbiology, go for Preeti ma'am's RR, because many questions in the INICT November came common which were not present in the BTR or not present in other RRs. And with that, BTR is also a good source for microbiology. FMG, go for Magendran sir's RR, he teaches the best. Community medicine, biostats from Marrow main notes, because biostats is focused more in the INICT, and go with BTR. I go with Utsav sir's RR, and PYT's search from ChatGPT, because it is not there much in the main videos also. ENT best is Rajiv Dhawan sir's notes, but other faculties of ENT are also good. If you are having any, go with that. Surgery, Rohan sir's note is the gold standard, go with that. OBGY, Sakshi ma'am's RR or Dipti ma'am's main videos is also very much crisp and concise. You can follow any of these two notes. Pediatrics, it is the best in Meenakshi ma'am's RR, because it is in more details. I got my silver medal in pediatrics just by studying the Meenakshi ma'am's RR and main notes. I didn't study any book. So it is in depth. The whole gist of Ghai is within that notes. Derma, BTR is good. Radiology, RR or BTR. Anesthesia, BTR. Psychiatry, first aid, some part, and from BTR. Orthopedics, RR, combine it with BTR. Now, why is first aid so much a good book? Now, this diagram you have seen in Giardi sir's notes. So, this is the beauty of first aid. Like cisplatin, here it is C. So, it is causing ototoxicity. Vincristine, V shape. So, it is causing peripheral neuropathy, which occurs in the hands and feet. Bleomycin B, it is the lungs. So, it is affecting the lungs and causing pulmonary fibrosis. Daunorubicin and doxorubicin, this is the heart shape. So, it is causing myocardial toxicity. So this is the beauty of first aid. मतलब सारे जो memorizing tips and tricks लेते हैं ना, उनमें से 50% are from first aid only, what the faculties teach you. So first aid तो झांसो बुक है, ये वाला पढ़ना ही चाहिए. And you can go through my digital image bank, because first aid या फिर तुम्हारे नोट से images common नहीं आने वाली हैं, because they see the classical images, but the classical images are always not copyright free. So notes में and फर्स्ट एड में क्या करते हैं वो लोग, कॉपीराइट फ्री इमेजेस को उन लोगों को डालना पड़ता है, नहीं तो कॉपीराइट इशू आ सकता है, उनको पब्लिश करने से प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है. In my digital image bank, you will get all the classical images which you can search from the internet, and the best part is The previous year questions are highlighted and marked. So ये वाला एक एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट है कि सारा पीवाईटीज तुम्हारा मार्क किया हुआ है, and it contains 1000+ images of all 19 subjects. So you can check it from the description box below or in the pinned comment section. One problem in INICT November was that they gave very few questions from BTR, approximately 100 to 110, but the RR strike rate was about 150 to 160. So it is safer if you do this strategy where I have combined RR, sometimes first aid with BTR, not just only BTR. Because if this is the trend, then there are chances that in INICT May 2026, or if you are watching after that, in further INICTs, less questions can come from BTR. And PYQ का बाप series of dams for the last minute revision, it is also very much beneficial. वो लोग लास्ट 1-2 साल के टॉपिक्स को डिसेक्ट करते हैं, उन टॉपिक्स पे ही ज़्यादा करके फोकस करते हैं, उनको पढ़ाते हैं. एंड एज INICT इज़ अ प्रीवियस ईयर टॉपिक बेस्ड एग्जाम्स, वहाँ से बहुत सारे कॉमन आते हैं. Coming to MCQ, because this is an MCQ based exam, you have to practice MCQs. And I have told you that it is a PYT based exam, so you have to do only the PYQs. 8 years of INICT PYQs is enough. If you have less time, then 5 years. But I have seen this trend that in 2014 a question came which was repeated in 2022. In 2023, two questions were repeated from 2015, and in 2024 two questions were repeated from 2016. So ये 8 years का अगर कर लिया ना, तो ये सारा रिपीट्स भी आ जाएगा तुम्हारे पास कॉमन. बिकॉज एम्स का जो क्यू बैंक है ना, वो क्यूमुलेटिव है, मतलब एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें ऐड होती हैं, बट पहले जो इम्पोर्टेंट था वो बाद में भी इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है. सो इट इज़ बेस्ट दैट इफ़ यू डू द 8 years ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. दिन में 100 को करके MCQ करोगे तो 40-50 दिन में हो जाएगा. Best app for previous year question practice: don't do it from any books, do it either from Marrow or PrepLadder. PrepLadder will give you an edge that it is faster, easy to memorize, and audio cue bank, but Marrow is more descriptive and in more details, more authentic. So if you are in a hurry, then you can go with PrepLadder, or if you are having time and if you have time to read all the explanation, it is better to go with the Marrow. In this video, I haven't done any paid promotions, so what I am telling is 100% authentic. I have tested all the apps, so you can follow this without any fear. I am not doing any promotions. Coming to grand test, Marrow grand test you should give, because the questions don't simulate the main exam, but it has the maximum number of test takers and it is the most authentic GT app. Like मेरा जो मॉक टेस्ट में आया था, मेरा 600 रैंक आया था, बट द क्वेश्चन पैटर्न डिडंट सिमुलेट दैट इन द INICT, बट माय रैंक सिमुलेटेड. मेरे को मॉक एग्जाम में 600 मिला था, मेरे को मेन एग्जाम में 684 मिला था. सो आई डिड मेनी मिस्टेक्स, लाइक आई डिडंट फॉलो फर्स्ट एड. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग my INICT, when I had time, I read through the first aid and I saw that it is a really good book. I didn't do the FDA approved drugs, I didn't do the life cycles, so बहुत सारा मिस्टेक्स किया था जिसके वजह से मेरा रैंक स्लिप खाया था. बट द पॉइंट आई वांट टू टेल इज दैट द क्वेश्चंस डोंट सिमुलेट. मतलब वो लोग बहुत सारे लंबे लंबे स्टेम के क्वेश्चंस देते हैं मैरो में, 5 lines 6 lines, but in the main exam it is 2 to 3 lines question usually come in the INICT. But the questions are sometimes unattemptable in the INICT. Marrow, it is attemptable, but they play with the options. So the same standard you won't get, but you have to give the Marrow GTs just because it has the maximum number of test takers and it is the most authentic. And for exam hall experience, you have to give them damn CBTs. It also has the maximum number of test takers among the CBTs. Coming to the best part, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स फॉर INICT. मैं आज को लिख के दे रहा हूँ, इनमें से 20 क्वेश्चंस कॉमन आएंगे ही इन एनी ऑफ योर INICT मई 2026, INICT नवंबर 2026, 27 का में भी कॉमन आएंगे. सो बिकॉज दिस आर हाईली रिपीटेड टॉपिक्स. इन एनाटॉमी, मसल्स ऑफ mastication, base of skull, terion, blood supply of brain, branchial arches, nerve functions and injuries, upper limb and lower limb. Cell junctions and transport in physiology, titannizing frequency, sleep cycles, factors influencing GFR. In biochemistry, glycogen storage disorder, PCR, vitamins. In pathology, coagulation pathway, inheritance, Hodgkin's lymphoma, vials, lung cancer. In pharmacology, teratogenic effects of drugs, anti-cholesterol medications, anti-tubercular drugs, SGLT2 inhibitors, lithium, anti-cancer drugs. In microbiology, sterilization, candida, chromoblastomycosis, sporotrichosis, rhizopus versus aspergillus on microscopy, parasite eggs, parvo B19. FMT, there has not been any topic which has been repeated more than 5 number of times. In community medicine, types of epidemiological study, biostats, vaccines, dog bite management. In ENT, only auditory pathway. I have told that they give haywire questions, so not from the repeated topics. Medicine, ABG, tension, pneumothorax, COVID 19, dengue, HIV. Basically, they focus more on the infectious diseases. Pediatrics, milestones, jaundice, severe acute malnutrition definition, surgery, Glasgow Coma Scale, burns, bile duct injuries, acute pancreatitis. In OBGY, physiological changes of pregnancy, PIH, PPH, types of ovarian cancer, amenorrhea, contraception, psychiatry, alcohol and substance use disorder, anesthesia, CPR, orthopedics, GCT, angstpon, osteoporosis. In dermatology, leprosy, herpes zoster, and psoriasis. Now, one of you asked me about how to make the 20th notebook of INICT. So, you have to only write the important and volatile INICT previous year topics. Because INICT previous year topics से ही तुमको 120 क्वेश्चंस तो मिल जाएंगे. So, only use the INICT previous year topics and which are important and volatile. Okay. If I get time after my residency, then I can make one 20th notebook also. कमिंग टू द टारगेट नंबर ऑफ करेक्ट्स नम. अब तुम लोग बोलोगे कि सब तो आपने बता दिया, अब आप बता दीजिए कितना करेक्ट्स करना पड़ेगा उससे मेरे को टॉप 100 या फिर टॉप 1000 रैंक मिल जाए. सो इट इज़ वेरी मच डिफिकल्ट टू प्रेडिक्ट, बट आई हैव एनालाइज्ड पास्ट 8 पेपर्स. सो इनमें से मोटा मोटा ये वाला स्टैट्स आता है. इट कैन वेरी अकॉर्डिंग टू द एग्जाम पैटर्न. लाइक आईएनएससीटी नवंबर में कट ऑफ थोड़ा सा दूर गया था, आईएनएससीटी मई में ज़्यादा क्लोज गया था. इफ यू डू मोर देन 160 करेक्ट्स यू गेट अ टॉप 10 रैंक. यू हैव टू डू लेस मिस्टेक्स ऑल्सो बिकॉज 1/3 इज नेगेटिव. If you give more than 150 corrects, you get a top 100 rank. If you do more than 140 corrects, you get a top 500 rank. If you do more than 135 corrects, you get a top 1000 rank. So you join my WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel for NEET PG and INICT preparation. This PDF you will get in my Telegram channel. All the links are given in the description box below. And now I will ask you to, if you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do consider subscribing. Now you can see a video on decoding INICT and a video on most important topics of INICT. So all the best for your INICT exam.